So today I'm going to show you how to solder field components for 4460 projects. So this is a chip, this is the main chip, and you see there's a dot here on the upper left corner. This dot indicates pin 1 connection here. Okay, so make sure you put the chip at the right orientation. Okay, so first thing first, you put a little solder on the right pin. Okay, just a little bit, doesn't need to be too much. And then you use your tweezer, move this over, try to keep the chip flat on the surface, melt this, and then okay, so so kind of just adjust it. This okay, and come to the opposite corner and do this one. That's a bridge. Okay, now you see this thing is shorted, right? So what do you this iron is no good. So you take a wick, piece of wick, and then you kind of put it here. You melt it, and then that's it. The short should be gone. That's it. Okay, and then you just do the rest. So some people, I think they do this. They just put down there, and then not hot enough. Okay. So all the pins have solders. So that's one way to do it. Another way to do it is just, which I normally do. I just go pin by pin. I see a solder bridge here. Okay, that should be good enough. Okay. Now to solder. Oops. Sorry. 0402 capacitor. So okay. So the difference between capacitor and the resistor, normally, the capacitor has this brownish body color, and the resistor normally has this black body color. Okay. So this is your in this case, this is a 100 ohm resistor, and I'm gonna put at this R17 location, okay, right here. So again, what you do is you put the solder on one side only. That's it. Not too much solder. Then you take your tweezer and remove this component from the package. Okay, so that's your resistor. You can do it up and down, doesn't matter, upside down. And orientation does not matter in this case. So you see this resistor really small. So what do you do?